Hello viewers, welcome to the section R with Jupyter. In this section, we will learn about analyzing 2016 U.S. election demographics, analyzing 2016 voter registration and voting, analyzing changes in college admissions, and predicting airplane arrival time. Now, we move on to the video Analyzing 2016 U.S. election demographics. In this video, we will set up R for Jupyter. Also, we will display some categories of voters from 2016 U.S. elections. Before we go further, we need to set up R for Jupyter. Assuming you've installed Conda already, we have one command to add support for R programming to Jupyter. Let's add the Conda install CRR essentials command. Proceed to install the new packages. To get a flavor of the resources available to R developers, we can look at the 2016 data. In this case, I am drawing from this Wikipedia website, specifically the table named 2016 Presidential Vote by Demographic Subgroup. Let's see the code for the election demographic. Open Jupyter and click on the new drop-down list and select R. It redirects you to the new Jupyter Notebook page. Now, click on the Untitled tab to rename the new notebook. Enter the new name as election data using R. Once done, click on the Rename button. As you can see, the new notebook name has been changed. Let's type the code. Here, we have defined a helper function, so we can print out values easily. The new printf function takes any arguments passed and passes them along to sprintf. I have stored the separate demographic statistics into different tab-separated value lines, which can be read in using this age line of code. For each table, we use the read.csv function and specify the field separator as a tab instead of the default comma. We then use the head function to display information about the data frame that was loaded. Press Enter to see the result of it. As you can see, the display shows the age of the voters. In a similar manner, we can place the education from different aspects of users. Let's run the education line of code to see the result. Next, we will see the gender of the voters by using this gender line of code. After that, we will see the ideology of the voters. Further, we will see the income of the voters. The next category is orientation. Let's see the orientation results. We will then look at the results of the parties. Let's move on to see the result of the voter's race. Post that, we will see the regions of the voters. Finally, we will see the religion of the voters. Across the top is a display of the columns. Every row displays the values for these columns in that row. Each of these read operations results in a display is highlighted. Now, we can find the dominant characteristics of each turnout with some printf functions. The results Clinton voters are highlighted. Let's see the result of Trump voters. For that, we're going to use some printf functions. Here, you can see the results of Trump. It's interesting that there was no overlap between the majority groups supporting the two candidates. I think the parties targeted different groups on purpose so as not to overlap. There must be a guideline for spending money by advertising to known, interested groups and not contend for population segments that are ambiguous. In this video, we have analyzed 2016 U.S. election demographics.